Have you ever had skin that was totally fine? Then suddenly, out of nowhere, it starts breaking out, stinging, feeling tight, itchy, or irritated? And the most confusing part? You didn't change anything. Same products, same routine, but your skin suddenly feels like it's turned against you. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And today I'm going to explain exactly why this happens in a really simple way. It's called barrier overload. Now here's where overload happens. Barrier overload isn't just sensitive skin. It's when your skin's protective wall becomes overwhelmed by too much stress at once. Things like too many active products, overexfoliating, constant product switching, environmental stress. Individually, these might be fine. But stacked together, they slowly wear your barrier down until one day, your skin suddenly reacts. This is the part that confuses most people. You'll hear things like, "But I've used this moisturizer for years," or "This serum never bothered me before." Here's why it happens. When your barrier is healthy, it can tolerate lots of ingredients. But once it becomes weakened, even gentle products can suddenly sting, clog, or trigger breakouts. It's not that the products suddenly became bad. Your skin just lost its protective buffer. So ingredients penetrate too deeply, too fast, and your skin goes into stress mode. Before we talk about overload, let's quickly talk about your skin barrier, because it's the key to everything. Think of your skin barrier like a protective wall. Its job is to keep moisture in, keep irritants, bacteria, and pollution out, maintain balance so skin stays calm and healthy. When this barrier is strong, your skin feels comfortable, smooth, and resilient. When it's weakened, everything starts getting in and water escapes out. That's when irritation, breakouts, and sensitivity show up. In Australia, barrier overload is incredibly common because of a few lifestyle factors. Things like strong sun exposure year-round, dry air and sudden weather changes, using exfoliants more often for breakouts, layering multiple active serums, cleansing too aggressively. A lot of people accidentally damage their barrier while trying to fix their skin faster. Here's a simple way to tell if barrier overload might be happening. Your skin may feel tight even after moisturizing, sting when applying products, get sudden breakouts in unusual areas, look red or inflamed easily, feel rough or sensitive to touch, react to products you used before with no problem. If you're ticking several of these, it's usually a barrier issue, not just acne or bad skin. The good news is, skin barriers can repair when given the right support. Here are the basics. Simplify your routine. Pause exfoliants and harsh actives. Focus on hydration. Water attracts water. It helps barrier healing. Support the barrier itself. Look for ingredients like ceramides, panthenol, and skin-identical lipids. Be consistent. Barrier recovery takes days to weeks, not overnight. This calm, supportive approach allows skin to rebuild instead of constantly reacting. At REVEA, this understanding of skin systems is exactly why we're launching with a barrier-first approach. Instead of overwhelming skin with intensity, we focus on hydration first, barrier support second, long-term skin stability. Because calm skin heals better, tolerates more, and ultimately looks healthier. Over the coming weeks, we'll be sharing simple education like this and introducing our calm system designed to support skin when it's feeling reactive or overwhelmed. If your skin has suddenly started reacting, now you know why. It's not failing. It's overload ed. Follow REVEA for more easy-to-understand skin education, barrier recovery tips, and updates on our upcoming launch. Your skin can feel calm again. It just needs the right support. I'll see you in the next video. Follow REVEA for skin barrier education, plus launch updates.